Bienvenidos! Welcome everybody! Today I'm going to be reading a short story describing the image that you're going to see on the screen. I'm going to read everything in Spanish and then I'll put the translation up on the screen. Listen for the words that you already know and then learn the rest through context. En el parque hay un árbol grande. El árbol tiene hojas verdes. Hay una banca de madera. En la banca, una persona lee un libro. La persona está feliz. Al lado de la persona hay un perro pequeño. El perro es amigable y está tranquilo. El cielo es azul y el sol brilla. No hay más personas. El parque es tranquilo y bonito. I hope the visual cues are helpful. It's a great way to learn the language. Let's break down each sentence now. En el parque hay un árbol grande. In the park, there is a big tree. El árbol tiene hojas verdes. The tree has green leaves. Hay una banca de madera. There is a wooden bench. En la banca, una persona lee un libro. On the bench, a person is reading a book. La persona está feliz. The person is happy. Al lado de la persona hay un perro pequeño. Next to the person, there is a small dog. El perro es amigable y está tranquilo. The dog is friendly and calm. El cielo es azul y el sol brilla. The sky is blue and the sun shines. No hay más personas. There are no more people. El parque es tranquilo y bonito. The park is quiet and beautiful. So how can you use stories to learn Spanish? Well, here, pick up on the common words. Hay. Hay means there is or there are. It's actually used for both singular and plural. And then we have vocabulary, right? El parque, the park. El árbol, the tree. Hojas, leaves. Banca, bench. Libro, book. Persona, person. Perro, dog. Cielo, sky. Sol, sun. You can also see the sentence structures. Spanish is more flexible than English, but sometimes the structures are very similar. El árbol, the tree, the subject. Tiene, the verb, has. Hojas verdes, green leaves. That's the complement. Remember that in Spanish, we have to use a sort of article with all of the nouns, and they're either masculine or feminine. I hope this is helpful. To keep learning Spanish with stories, go watch this video next. Muchas gracias.